Hello, everyone. Thanks for learning about Adam Chimney Repair, Denver's trusted partner for everything chimney. I'm here to explain why maintaining your chimney is essential and how our team at Adam Chimney can make it easy. Is your chimney cracked, leaning, or showing signs of wear? Maybe you've noticed drafts, unusual smells, or, heaven forbid, water leaks. These can be signs that your chimney needs immediate care. At Adam Chimney, we handle everything, from chimney relining to crown repair, caps, dampers, and more. Our team uses top-quality materials like durable stainless steel liners and weather-resistant chase covers to ensure every repair stands the test of time. We're local, with over a decade of experience serving Denver's communities, from Highlands and Cherry Creek to Aurora and Centennial. We understand the unique weather challenges your chimney faces here in Colorado, and we're equipped to protect it year-round. Let's ensure your chimney looks great and operates safely. We pride ourselves on friendly, professional service and straightforward upfront pricing, so you always know what to expect. To get started, call us at 720-207-9232. That's 720-207-9232. Or visit us at adamchimneysuite.com. Thank you, Denver, for trusting us with your homes. We're here to keep the warmth in and the worries out.
Summer, winter, spring, or fall. In Aurora, Centennial, the Rockies too. We'll bring the warmth right back to you. So call us today. You know what to do. 720-207-9232. For chimneys that gleam, give us the go-ahead. Or clickety-click at adamchimneysuite.com.